tonight we're gonna use our Passholder Premier to go ride for the first time Icebreaker. I'm pretty excited about this. All summer long we've been staring at these tracks back here, wondering when this thing was gonna open. So let's go, let's ride it for the first time. And there she is in all her fully operational glory. Here's my reservation confirmation. I can show you that now because I'm getting ready to go on the ride and it doesn't matter. But we've been waiting all summer for this thing. So this ticket isn't enough. First, we have to go to the booth over here and grab a ticket for the ticket. It's okay though, don't worry guys, keep watching. We're gonna get on the ride and it's gonna be awesome. So if you're coming here and you have your pass that you printed out, go to this upgrade center first before you go over there to the ride, because you gotta get a ticket or else they won't let you in. All right, so we got the ticket. Now we're heading back over to the ride. We're gonna ride it this time. This is gonna be awesome, I can't wait. And we're done with the ride. I'll give you some shots of the cool track and some of the fun atmosphere that they have around here. And I hope when you come down here for your Passholder preview that you have just as much fun. That's pretty cool. The track moves back and forth. Looks like you either go forward or backwards. It's pretty impressive.
I think that's the cool part is how you move.
Like slide over this way? This is nuts, man. Ah, what's up, Seaworld? Woo! Ah! Woo! Woo! That was awesome. How's my hair look? Well, how's my hair look?
Great.
Yours looks amazing. I'm gonna go on that again. We'll coordinate with the action camera. But that was awesome. You gotta come down here and check it out. In typical SeaWorld form, we got an awesome dance party going on over here. When you get done with your ride, you can come over here and hang out. Woo! The leg spot is pretty tough to get into, so I'm gonna try it on again, and we're gonna take the GoPro this time, the action camera this time, so we're gonna see if it works out better. This is Ryan. Ryan, you've been on every single one of these cars. Which one do you think is the best one to go on so far?
I think probably 7 because you get like the front end of the coaster part of it, and then you go all the way up to like the back one the second time back.
All right, cool. Well, so I did the first one. I did the first row on the first time. I was trying to do my gimbal and it got all messed up. So I'm gonna go again. All right, we're going row 2 this time.
Once seated, hold the comfort collar over your head and with that's in place, buckle the comfort collar. Your lap harness must be in the properly closed position.
Got a party going on over here. I'm gonna try and see if I can hop on. Shh, don't tell anybody. I'm trying to see if I can hop on as many times as I can. Woo! I think the crazy part about this, man, is that like you go forward and then you go backwards and you don't know which direction you're gonna stop. Well, like check out this party. When we pull up here, everybody's gonna be clapping and like this is so much fun. All right, this is Dave with Exploring.com, and that was the Icebreaker grand opening.